Hello, in this video we will see the demonstration of NevCampusPro module which is developed by NevPro. NevCampusPro is the ERP software which is specifically designed for the paperless administration of schools and educational institutions. It consists of different modules which help the staff, teachers to maintain student record, academic history and other information of students. NevCampusPro offers a wide range of features, out of which some important features are student and faculty management, admission management, library management, assignment management, timesheet, exam management and result management. Whenever a admin will log into the system, admin will see all the students' data, all the faculty members' data. Also, admin can create different courses in the system by filling the details like course name, for which section the course has been assigned. Also, the admin can define the fee term for the particular course and assign different subjects for the particular course. Also, admin can create different batches in the system. Admin can define the fee term for the particular course and also create different subjects in the system. Whenever a student will log into the system, student will able to see his own personal information, his education detail, the next activities like presentation with the faculty name, with the description, the fees collection details, the assignments need to be submitted and the library details. Whenever a faculty member logs into the system, the faculty members will see his own profile, the subjects which are assigned, the sessions, the next sessions which have to take for the students, and also you can see the status of the subject. This is in draft state. This James T. Church will take the session for this particular course BOSM1 for this subject advanced taxation, and after completion the faculty member will change the status to confirm. Faculty member can create assignments for the student for the particular course with the batch name, with the subject, which type of this assignment is. It is external assignment, internal assignment or a project assignment, who will be the reviewer of this assignment, for which batch this assignment is in draft stage, what is the issue date and what is the submission date, and what are the total marks for this particular assignment. Faculty member will create assignment and change the status of the assignment once all students will submit the assignment, and once all assignments been checked by the faculty member, the stage will be changed to finish. Faculty person is the responsible person to take the attendance of each and every student from the class. Faculty person will create a register of students. From the sheet, everyday attendance will be recorded by the faculty person in the system. Also, the attendance report will get to the faculty person. You can see here the subject wise the attendance report will get. Faculty person can schedule exam for the students by creating exam session, respect to the exam session start date, for which course the exam session has been created, what is the type of exam, venue, in library management. Library person is responsible to create library cards for each student as well as for each faculty members. Library person will create library cards by providing the number, library card number, what is the type of a card, by entering which degree card is there, which type of the member is there, like for student library card, or it is a faculty member card, and assigning the student for the library card. All the library cards details will be entered in this form. Faculty member can create different timetables for the students, different sessions by creating session, entering the start time, end time, who is the responsible to take the lectures, for which subject, for which course, for which batch, and what is the start time and what is the end time of the program. Also provides parent module for easy communication with the faculty members. Whenever a parent view his login, he can see his children assignments, timetable, results, activities in this module. In human resource module, the admin person is the responsible person to create different employees according to the departments, like administration department, management department, professional service department. Admin person will create employees and add all the details into the system. Clear? That's all included in NevCampusPro. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.